TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means takes action on your ideas. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without an action on an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 799, NASDAQ off 283, S&P's off 90. Percentage-wise, you get some big percentages out here, folks. You had the NASDAQ down 3.8%, S&P's down 3.4%, Dow Industrials down 3.1%. Gold contract up $4.10, trading at $12.43 an ounce. Silver up 10 cents, $14.60 an ounce. Light sweet crude flat, $52.85 a barrel. Oil was up at the 54, 55 level. Gave it up, folks. Oil looks to me $45 coming at us. $49.50 was the lower last week. Gave it up on price today. Notes and bonds, higher price, lower yield, coming at us in a big way. 10-year note up 16 ticks today, 120.03. 30-year bond up 1 full point plus 26 ticks, 142.11. And they both had monster volume, folks. If we go back and you take a look at how these babies are set up, the note and bond market for quite some time have been saying that bottom line, markets are in trouble. You know, the note and bond market bottomed out October 9th. We're dealing with December 4th. Monster volume, 2.3 million contracts inside the 10. The 10 here, the high, we can hit this high Thursday. Markets are closed tomorrow. The high we're talking about is the August 13th high. We're going to take a look at the 30-year. 30-year set up the exact same way. Volume also came in the 30-year. 30-year out here did 566,000 contracts. That's a monster number. Bottom line, we're at 142.11. 144.06 is the high. And if I take this 30-year, I'm going to put the 30-year on a continuous contract so you see where we're at here. You know, the bond market, folks, never broke its uptrend. This is what's absolutely amazing. The uptrend I'm talking about is the uptrend that started in 1981. We came off the lows. Now what you have is that now you're in the higher range. That is setting up a 148 inside the 30-year, and we'll see whether it can get inside the 151. If it ever gets inside the 151, it'll be a mind blower. But bottom line, that's where it looks like it is going at this particular point. King dollar held price. King dollar is 96.905. It came under 96.450 today. It did have volume. That's saying King dollar will be back down to that underneath that 96.450 level. The euro's trading at 113.41 to 1 US dollar. The yen is at 112.80 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Right across the board, folks, you got monster volume. Indices have volume. ETF structures have volume. All of the above. S&P, the SPY's down $9. You did 163 million shares traded. And the reason that's such a danger point is this. The high volume low of October 29th, we did 160 million shares. Well, guess what? You're coming into that, and we closed right at the high of the low with 163 million. Your probability goes much higher. We're going right after it. And, of course, depending on how long you've been listening to me, you know where my head is. My head, folks, is the high volume low from February 9th is going to get tested. That's 252, and that's 18 points from where we are right now. NDX 100, the 3 Qs, same setup in the NDX 100. Volume blew out of it, 66 million shares traded. That's after making a high yesterday of 50. Bottom line, your high volume low out here is 102. I expect we're going to go after it. We're already into the bar from the high volume low of the 29th. That was 169, the top of it. 160 is the bottom of it. We're at 165. Small caps are saying it all. They threw the volume into the small caps. Small caps are really in trouble. I suspect what we're going to see on Thursday, small caps are basically going to break its swing low, go after the February swing low. The small caps just missed it the last time we came down here 4 weeks ago. Small caps, the IWM went to 144.20. 142 is the number. We did 39 million shares out here. Big, big volume. The high volume low only has 36 million shares. So you can see that the steam engine is actually accelerating as we're coming down this time. Indice volume. Volume came in the indices. They were throwing the good babies out, the bad babies out, all the babies out on the way down, folks. Inside the NYSE, we did 1.1 billion versus 1 billion yesterday. We take a look at the NASDAQ composite. The composite did 2.5 billion. We did 2.6 yesterday. Bottom line, this market wants lower price, has achieved lower price. If we go back over to the bond market for a second, we take a look at the TLT, which is a 20-year bond fund plus 20-year Treasury plus bond fund. You're going to see explosive volume. We did 17 million shares. That came into the downdraft of October 1st. That had 22 million. Bottom line, this also wants higher price. That TLT looks like it wants $122, which no doubt is one big number. The XLF financials, they took it on the chin as the market did. Down 109 bucks, 109 million shares, down $1.18. This is under its high volume low from February. You get the energy market making its way down to that level. The XLE, that was down 194, also an expansion of volume. So right across the board, you see big volume. Time-wise, the way they were set up, folks, we get about 2.5 more weeks, well, a good 3 weeks counting this week, of trading before we come into the Christmas holiday. This is problems for big money managers in the marketplace in a big way, because what you have is this. You have the NASDAQ right now is still up 3.8% for the year. The S&Ps are up 1.1. The Dow's up 1.3. Bottom line is that that's what you're seeing out here. If they stay in the market, guess what? In the matter of a couple of weeks, you can go from a positive to a negative. And I suspect that most portfolios are actually going to be in a negative, because when you actually take a look at many of the equities, the indices are flat, but the equities, man, there's equities down 30, 35%. You stay right there, folks. Our man, Mr. Basil Chapman's coming back. He is going to be doing a workshop for subscribers tonight at 5 to 6:30. Great time for a workshop. You can be a subscriber right now. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, folks. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. We're coming right back. Hi, folks.